Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's 4 in the evening. I'm preparing tea. I've kept some milk. I have to boil this milk to make it curd. Today I'm going to clean my son's study room also. I'm adding 2 full spoon of curd here. The milk is warm. So this will get ready only by tomorrow morning because the Bangalore weather is cold now. I have not prepared any snacks for my kids. I'm just giving them a boost. They will have it with some biscuits. I'm preparing some chutney for night dinner, so I'm making dosa tonight. So I'm adding some oil. I'm going to add 5 big size of onion with some red chilies and little bit of curry leaves. So I'm going to fry all this together. I'm going to fry it for 1 minute and then add 4 big size of tomatoes with handful of coriander into the onion and just stir it for few minutes. I have off the gas and let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes now. I have grinded all of them together and my chutney is ready now. So I have made some oats for myself because my kids don't like oats, so I've just made it for myself for evening snack. So this is a study room. I am going to clean it today. This is my son's study room and it is really messed up and lot of dust here. I have to clean them all and I'm going to shift this particular cupboard upstairs. I have a small room upstairs, so I'm going to shift this all there and just rearrange this room. So from past 1 month I've been thinking to clean this room and I was just thinking and thinking and thinking. So today I decided no, I will just do it in action. I'll just clean this and give a new setup to this room. This is a very small room. We made it only for the study purpose. We have made a small cupboard here to keep books, arrange all the books and all the study items here. Let me take you to the hall. The hall is really messed up. I've shifted all the cupboard item, all the almara item onto the sofa. So these are the things were there inside the almara. So I shifted all this here because I've called two-person to shift that almirah upstairs. So after they shift the almirah, I'm going to rearrange all this into the same almirah again. So you can see cover full of bindis kept here. So I have to rearrange all these things and keep it in a right place for them to use it. Normally this dresses my younger daughter, she uses it only for the special occasion, get together or something like that. We don't use it regularly. So whatever the dresses that she uses regularly, it is kept in other cupboard. So this particular items which we use it occasionally, I've just kept it in almirah so that it doesn't get messed up with other regular dresses. So this particular dal I made it today morning, so I'm just reheating it because it's 7 in the evening now. So I'm just preparing the dosa batter now. I've soaked the rice today morning. So I'm just going to add some salt and water and mix it and keep it aside for this to get fermented. So it'll be easy for me to prepare a breakfast tomorrow morning. So it's done now. I'm going to keep it aside now. And I was planning to make a beans fry today evening, I mean tonight. So, but due to this cleaning work, I don't think so I can do it. I'm going to keep all this back to fridge. You can see my hall is really messed up and I'm still cleaning. Simultaneously, I'm doing my kitchen work also. So you can see I'm done with all my kitchen work. I've kept back the beans in the fridge. I've done dosa batter and I've served dinner to all my kids, and I also finished with my dinner and I've cleaned the vessels. So I'm done with my work in the kitchen. So I have to arrange this vessel maybe little later, let the water get drained out completely. So I have some work still left in the hall. So let's go back to the hall. So my two kids, they helped me in cleaning the study room. So it was easy for me. So my small one is still walking around the hall. I think it's going to be 10:30 now. So actually she sleeps before 9, and today because of all this she's still awake. She sleeps only everybody goes to bed and the lights are off. I'm still not done with my work. You can see the Calmera things are still on sofa. I have to arrange all this. But I've shifted the Almera upstairs, so I don't know whether it's possible to do this particular arrangement today because it's already 10:30 and I'm also too tired today. Let me show you the study room after cleaning my hall. So it's 10:30 p.m. now. So you can see I've changed the entire study room setup. I've just shifted the almara so that I got enough space to arrange this particular room. So all these are my son's toy which I bought when he was a kid, and he's still preserving it. This particular money plant will be here in study room all the time. He likes plants, so he keeps it here. Anytime you can see this plant here. So this is the cupboard I've arranged, and I have kept it for him. So I hope you like the setup. You can just give in your comment how is the setup, whether it's perfect or no. I'm going to arrange the almirah only tomorrow morning. Kids are already sleeping. They are very tired, and even I have to go to bed and sleep. So it's morning now. We have to get back to our work. The left out work, the almirah arrangement is still left. I'm serving coffee to everyone now. So the dosa batter has come out perfect. So I'm going to start with my breakfast. So before the online classes get started, let me serve the breakfast to my kids. So the dosas are getting ready. I have to serve one by one. Let me just check out with the jackfruit seeds. I've just left it for 2 whistles and it's done now. My kids love jackfruit seeds a lot. So I'm going to serve this dosa with tomato chutney. I'm boiling eggs for today afternoon lunch. I'm happy that my daughter completes her puja work every day morning before she could go to online classes. So she's kept some flowers and milk, and she's completed her puja today. So I have come upstairs to that particular room. Actually, I planned this work yesterday evening itself, but it did not happen because the normally when we start cleaning, it doesn't happen according to our plan. We stretch to do lot of other work also in between, and then it was too late. I think I slept around 11:30 yesterday. So today morning also I got up early because this was the tension that I have to arrange this almirah. So I have to complete my work, which I have not completed yesterday. So I've started it now because after this I have to go make my lunch also. I've just boiled the eggs. I'm just going to make a very simple tomato rice for today's lunch. Because this will take me around 1.5 hours to complete this particular arrangement here. I like this particular pavada because this combination is too cute, especially when my daughter wears it. So I always admire this particular combination a lot. So these are the extra screens that I have. So I'm not going to use it right now. So that's why I plan to keep it here. I've done with my arrangements. This is the arrangements that I have done. I have disposed some of her clothes which she doesn't use it, and I'll give it to the people who needs it. And these are the things you can see. I've arranged it neatly, and some of the old saris also I have kept it here, which I don't use them.